It's almost halfway through the trading year of 2023. Have you hit your financial goals? If you need any money at all in the markets, $1,000, $5,000? The experts say that 95% of you are failing or will fail in the markets. We don't buy that. If you're losing, it's because of one thing. You are not in control of your trading. If you're going to win, you have to take control of your trading. It's pure and it's simple. So what exactly does that mean? You need to know when it's time to trade and when it isn't. You need to know which products to pay attention to and which ones to ignore. Bottom line, you need market savvy and you need it right now. Monday morning after the bell is too late. Here are your keys to the coming 5 days on the markets. 75% of trading weeks begin with rotational and whipsaw conditions. Impatient traders lose thousands on days like this. Like last Monday, this Monday features no key economic events. Caution is a good word. Reduced leverage and patience will be the order of the day. Key market will call it live. Finally, we have something. There are a slew of key events spanning the London and U.S. sessions. We'll be looking hard at the real estate numbers out of the United States. Back in January, investment bank Goldman Sachs called for a double-digit pullback in home prices this year. It hasn't happened, suggesting the talk of a recession may be way overblown. If these housing numbers do come in soft, we'll be very interested in the U.S. 30. Right now, we're holding an intermediate-term bullish bias. If we do get a pullback to that 50-week moving average, it may be a potential long. The Wednesday Asia-Pacific session will be dominated by the RBNZ interest rate decision. The markets are expecting a modest 25 basis point rate hike from 5.25% to 5.5%. This rate hike will make the RBNZ the prominent global hawk. From Wednesday's Forex Open to its close, Kiwi pairs are target-rich environments. Now, in the U.S. session, the FOMC minutes are due out. We're not expecting any major Fed revelations in this release, but it pays to be ready, and we will be. The key market for this day is we're looking at New Zealand dollar, U.S. dollar right here. Our technicals. It's a pretty basic technical picture in my book. You've got a nice monthly Fibonacci wave, nice from that nice spike low to a spike high pullback. 38%, 6140 has been huge all year long. And if you want to take a look at a converging indicator, you can go right here to your weekly, and you'll notice you have that 50-week moving average right around that 6177 area. Nice little zone between 6177 and 6150. Don't forget that downside support for Wednesday. The Thursday session features a few items that are completely fake news. U.S. GDP for quarter one is on the docket, as are jobless claims and pending home sales for April. On your economic calendar, these items are labeled as 3-star events. Know what's important. The U.S. debt ceiling and Friday's inflation figures. Don't be tricked into overtrading on an all-hype media day. Get out your laptop, log into the trading room, and we'll spot the key markets on the fly as they develop. Knowing when to trade is the name of the game. For the USD, Friday is the headliner this week. Inflation remains the world's largest economic issue. Friday's core PCE report for April may shed some light on the subject. Of course, in the short run, the actual numbers won't matter much. The market volatility is what does. Stay on high alert when this number drops at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Chaos may ensue, as will your chance to cash in on the action. The key market we're going to be looking at is the U.S. dollar index. You can see right here we have a nice bilateral rectangle. Opportunity to buy down around that 101 flat level. Opportunity to sell at 105.88. The midpoint, a nice take profit right around 103.50. This rectangle's been good to us before. If in fact PCE comes our way, we may get a chance to sell or buy in this key technical formation. When was the last time you had a big week in the markets? Has it been a while? Are you tired of waiting? Now is the time to turn the corner. Not next week, not next month, right now. This is your wake-up call. It's time for you to become a savvy, in the know, and control trader. Victory loves preparation, and every battle is won well before it's ever been fought. Prepare and win. Prepare and win. Prepare and win. Check out our lineup of resources in the links below. We'll be back here next week, gearing up to finish May in style. We will see you then.